Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping in. Really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Everyone's support's greatly appreciated. All the thumbs ups, all my subscribers, all the comments, you guys are amazing. So, you guys are a little bit further back. The Chevelle is extremely dirty. I need to get the Chevelle washed. I want to get it outside. I want to get it washed so I can show it to you guys. But I got a whole pile of boxes here of stuff that I just got in, and I'm extremely excited for this stuff, like beyond excited. This is for the Chevelle. This is parts we got. This is stuff we're going to be installing. We're going to be getting this thing running. I've mentioned before about naming the video series Project Chevelle. I really liked it. Sounds really good. I've had a few suggestions of Mission Chevelle or Operation Chevelle. And to be honest with you, we've only done one video named Project Chevelle, and I'm really liking Operation Chevelle. I really like Mission Chevelle as well. If you like one of those better than Project Chevelle, leave it down in the comments, let me know. But what I want to do, some of these boxes are opened because I had to check them out. We've got two white ones here. I'll explain why there's two of these white boxes with the Summit on them. I just want to open these boxes up because I'm super excited. I want to show you guys what I've got, what we're going to be doing, what to expect, what's to come. It's been a little while since I did the Chevelle video. If you haven't seen that, definitely head back, check it out. That was basically getting it to where it is now, minus all the dirt on it now. But like I said, I need to get it cleaned up. This thing is absolutely disgusting. It's really bad looking at it, but I'm chomping at the bit to open these boxes up to show you guys, so I had to make this video. So we will hop into, let's go ahead, because I said I will be talking about these and why there is two of them. Because when I open it up and you guys see what's in here, you will understand why I'm saying there's two. This one's opened up, and I'll tell you the story once we get it out of here. Get the ends off, and as you can probably tell by now, this is, the package is not open. I can definitely, let's open it up so we can check it out. It'll be a little bit better than just looking at it through this plastic. Because I haven't even got to see it out of this plastic yet either. That's one thing really cool to me about this Chevelle series we're doing, is basically we're all getting to experience it together and with each other, and it's going to be awesome. So right here we've got an aluminum 4-row. Look how wide this thing is. The ends are polished, really nice welds and machining, but we got an aluminum 4-row radiator for the Chevelle. Very, very nice. I can't get over the craftsmanship, the welds. This radiator is extremely nice. It's got a nice polish to it. So definitely super excited about that. Definitely out of camera as well. So the reason, like I said, I'll mention the reason why there's two is this guy here showed up damaged from shipping. Imagine that. Stuff's always getting damaged from shipping. So I contacted Summit. Summit treated me very well. They said, hang on to that radiator. We will get another one out to you right away. And then the shipping company will contact you, and they will come pick that one up and send it back. So I felt that was very fair. So we're just hanging on to it. But as you can see in the box, on the bottom down here, on the side, something poked through it. It hit the radiator inside, and it damaged the core and the rose. So unfortunately, you have a radiator that nice, that kind of craftsmanship, it is ruined. That one's not, but that one is ruined, and it's got to get sent back. But Summit took care of the problem, and they second day aired me that one. Thank you, Summit. Really appreciate it. We will we'll get into this box here. I opened it up to look. It's definitely kind of heavy. I have not taken anything out of it. I just had a look. But as you can see, Hedman headers. So we've got some headers for the Chevelle. We will get these out of here. Hardware, collectors, flanges, nuts, bolts, all that good stuff. And then gaskets. So everything we need there. And then the headers are in here wrapped up, as you can kind of see here. So let me get these pulled out. I'm probably gonna have to speed this up. Let me get these pulled out and get one unwrapped, and so we can check these out too. All right, so we got one out, nicely packaged, but for what headers cost, we kind of hope that they'll be packaged nicely like that. Got to get this tape cut off here. And I'm just super excited for this Chevelle series that we're doing. Hopefully you guys are just as excited for it as I am. I think it's going to be a ton of fun getting this thing going. But here we have long tube, ceramic coated, 3-inch collector headers for the Chevelle. So same as the radiator, let's get this thing opened up out of this plastic so we can actually check it out, because I know at least I want to. These things are absolutely beautiful. They have the little Hedman tag. Look at the flange thickness on these things. These are the Hedman Elite Heavy Duty long tube headers for the 396 in the Chevelle. Very, very pleased with the quality and the way these look, and I absolutely love that finish. So that is going to look really sharp and really nice under the hood. So the next box we have here, it's kind of a bigger box. This is going to have odds and ends in it, parts and pieces, pieces and parts, whatever you want to call it. Lots and lots of packing. So as you can see, let's actually tip this camera down a little bit so you guys feel a little more into the video. We got tons of wrapping in here. So we've got a belt in this package. As you can tell, this is a serpentine belt. You're going to want to see some more stuff, that's why we're going to be using this. So we got a belt, upper radiator hose, lower radiator hose, thermostat. This is just radiator mount bushings. Don't really need to open that up and show it. This is the thermostat housing. I was pretty excited about this too that I ordered. I haven't seen it yet. So here it is. Nice polished aluminum. And then it has, so basically that is the base for it here. Gotta be easy putting it together. I don't want to scratch it up, but a nice finish, as you guys can see, on this thermostat housing here. So as you guys just saw, that was the thermostat housing. And then we got invoice, stickers, little book. I believe this is the top radiator mount slash support. Not for sure, haven't opened this up. Yes, it is. So there is the hardware for it. And then here is the top radiator mount and support. As you can see, a very nice chrome. It is an old muscle car. On the newer cars, I'm not a huge fan of tons of chrome, but on the muscle cars, I like to have some chrome under the hood. I think it looks really, really good. That's just kind of the nostalgia of them. That's how they were. So we'll try to keep all the parts together. with each other. Got some more boxes over here. So we've got another smaller box here. It's going to be some more random odds and ends. What's in here, I don't know. Well, I know everything that I ordered, but... So actually this box isn't going to be that exciting because we got stickers, book, invoice. But here is the second belt, just like that first one that I had down here, because I do need 2 of them. And I had to open this up to check it to make sure after the radiator, but this is from Billet Specialties. I still got it from Summit. This is what the belts are for. When I first opened this up and saw it, I was blown away. So what we're doing is we're doing a serpentine belt conversion on the front of it. It's got all billet polished hardware, but it's all billet, it's all polished. And this stuff is just absolutely, it's just so nice. There is the power steering pump pulley. As you can see, it is the ribbed serpentine belt. This stuff is going to look absolutely amazing on the front of this engine. So there is the radiator bracket with adjustment and all the hardware. So it is all the brackets, all the pulleys. And I'm glad I opened it up because I got to be careful with this one. Set this box aside because on this package, this was already kind of lifted off there. But here we have the crank pulley, water pump pulley, the water pump nose cone, the alternator pulley and fan, and then of course the hardware. This stuff, the machining, the quality on it is just mind-blowing to me. I'll open this up here. That's the inside of the crank pulley, so that is what you will see when it's bolted onto the front of the engine. It is just like a mere polish. So this stuff I was super, super excited about, really happy about, because that's going to look so nice on the front of it. Then this is the last but not least. It's an Edelbrock water pump. So my pulleys and everything are a standard drive ratio. I did not do an underdrive on it. I didn't feel the need to with the aluminum 4-row radiator. But this is a high volume water pump. So the high volume water pump, that's why I didn't really feel the need to do an underdrive. Little bag of hardware. To do an underdrive on all the pulleys for the pulley system. So as you can see here, here is the Edelbrock. You can see water pump, short nose for the front of the engine. So that was basically just like a kid on Christmas. That is all the boxes I have right now, unfortunately. I was hoping to have more. I will definitely have more in the future. You guys keep supporting the channel, helping the channel. You guys help and support it. It doesn't buy all this, but it definitely helps me out. Just that little bit extra that I need to buy everything that I want. That way I'm not doing one piece at a time. So be sure to smash that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Keep supporting. Just keep supporting as much as you can. I greatly appreciate it. If you want to see, the Chevelle build series, Project Chevelle, Mission Chevelle, or Operation Chevelle, definitely let me know what you guys think for a name. And we will be doing a video soon. We'll be getting this thing outside, getting it cleaned up so you guys can see it all cleaned up. And then we'll start installing some of this stuff in it. And I absolutely cannot wait, because I cannot wait to get this thing fired up and hear that big block, because it's going to sound really, really good, I have a feeling. But thank you so much for stopping in, checking out this video. This is what we're looking at right now to do on the Chevelle, to get the Chevelle going, to get it running, and just start the build series on it. And I'm super, super excited for it. And I hope that you guys are half as excited as I am. But thank you so much for stopping in. Really appreciate it. Thanks for the support on the channel and the love on the channel. I love all of you. You guys mean the world to me. If it wasn't for you, this channel wouldn't be possible. So share this channel with a friend, share it with a buddy, share it just online, hit the share button, help it out. Let's get it growing, let's get it going. Let's get this Chevelle freaking awesome. But thank you guys for stopping in, really appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one, and until then, take care.